One of our investments that I really love is in a company called Burnbot that has built a device to make prescribed fire safer and more reliable, which is a really key tool to help build fire resilience.
Burnbot actually began as an idea back in 2019, and we had this idea that, hey, we should do something to prevent wildfires. Every wildfire needs something to burn. It needs some vegetation to burn. So if you can take that vegetation out, the wildfire has nothing left to burn. We act with urgency, we act with purpose, we act with intention. This is one that we can tackle. We can make destructive wildfires a thing of the past.